Have you ever had a door slammed in your face only to realize later that it was the best thing that could have happened? Today, we're delving into the art of turning rejection into opportunity, inspired by the Stoic philosopher Marcus Aurelius. Imagine a world where every no doesn't bring you down but propels you forward. Rejection, a word that often stings, can become your stepping stone to greatness. It's not about tricking fate, but understanding that sometimes the universe's no is a hidden yes to something greater. Feeling overlooked, ignored, or undervalued? It's time to flip the script. In this video, we'll explore 13 powerful lessons to harness the power of rejection. These are practical, real-world strategies you can apply in your daily life. Before we dive in, make sure this wisdom reaches as many people as possible. Hit that like button and ring the notification bell to let YouTube know you're finding value in our content. Ready to transform your rejections into your greatest victories? Let's get started. 1. Ignore them. When life gives you the cold shoulder, don't shrink back. Rise above it. Ignoring those who ignore you isn't petty. It's a powerful statement of your self-worth. If someone decides you're not worth their time, that's their loss, not yours. Focus on your life, goals, and happiness. Engage in activities that enrich you, such as reading, sports, or learning a new skill. This isn't about getting back at someone. It's about reclaiming your energy and investing it where it matters. 2. Don't react emotionally. Rejection can sting, making you want to react emotionally. Instead, embrace calmness. When you're ignored, rather than getting upset, take a step back and reflect on why it bothers you. Often, it's not the rejection itself, but our insecurities that hurt the most. Stoicism teaches us to focus on our actions and responses, not others' behavior. By maintaining calmness, you show emotional maturity and inner strength. 3. Remove them from your mind. Harnessing the art of detachment is a powerful tool against rejection. Acknowledge the rejection, feel its impact, but don't let it anchor your thoughts. Transform rejection by seeing it as a detour guiding you towards new paths and possibilities. Engage in enriching activities, surround yourself with positive people, and use every new experience as a stepping stone to growth. 4. Demonstrate your value. Rejection is a test of resilience. Instead of succumbing to self-pity, channel your energy into constructive action. Work on projects that highlight your skills and offer to lead new initiatives. Rejection isn't a reflection of your worth, it's an opportunity to shine. Embrace the Stoic teaching of focusing on what you can control, your actions and reactions. 5. Cut off contact. Silence can be a powerful tool. When you choose not to react, you're taking a step back to recalibrate and remember your worth isn't tied to someone's approval. This period of no contact allows you to reflect and grow. It's not about being cold, it's about setting boundaries for your mental peace and showing you're centered and not easily swayed by external validation. 6. Prove them wrong. Use rejection as fuel for growth. Sharpen your skills not for others' approval, but to surpass your own limits. Let your results speak for themselves. This journey of self-improvement isn't about battling others' perceptions, but about redefining your own self-image. The greatest victory is realizing that the only validation that truly matters is your own. 7. Go out and have fun. Counter the instinct to withdraw after rejection by seeking joy. Engage in new hobbies, connect with friends, and explore new experiences. These activities are more than distractions, they're opportunities for growth. Each new experience makes you more adaptable and resilient. Turn every no into a stepping stone towards a richer, more vibrant life. 8. Build your social status. Turn moments of rejection into catalysts for personal growth. Engage in activities that enhance yourself and contribute to the community. This isn't about climbing a social ladder, but about self-development. Share your journey to connect with like-minded people. Building your social status should be about improvement, not popularity. 9. Act as if they don't exist. When someone ignores you, respond by focusing on those who value your company. In unavoidable interactions, maintain professionalism. This approach helps you stay focused on what matters and shows that your worth isn't defined by someone else's acknowledgement. 10. Give them the silent treatment. Silence can be a powerful tool for introspection and emotional mastery. Use silence to reflect on your feelings and grow. This isn't about punishing the other person. It's about preserving your inner peace and reinforcing your character. 11. Don't beg for attention. Anchor yourself in your own self-worth and independence. Engage in activities that fulfill you and connect with people who appreciate you. Build a life you're content with, independent of how others perceive it. This Stoic approach helps you focus on your journey of growth and fulfillment. 12. Be kind, but emotionally distant. Respond with kindness, but keep your emotional world fortified. Offer kindness without expectations, and maintain emotional distance to protect your peace. This balance allows you to interact with grace and stand firm in your emotional integrity. 13. Don't reveal your struggle. Maintain your composure in the face of rejection. Acknowledge your feelings, but don't let them control you. Continue your life with confidence, showing that your worth isn't dependent on others' opinions. This approach demonstrates true inner stability and resilience. We've journeyed together through the twists and turns of rejection, uncovering 13 powerful lessons to transform it into a tool for success. Remember, each no is a stepping stone to resilience. Embrace rejection as a catalyst for growth and self-discovery. I'm eager to hear your stories of triumph, so hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, and share your journey in the comments. Let's master the art of Stoic resilience together. Stay strong and stay stoic.